Welcome. Today, I'm excited to introduce a first of its kind feature, the hidden field feature in the e-signature module. This innovative tool acts as a tag within a document, enabling effortless retrieval of specific documents during your search. It simplifies document management, making it more efficient when handling large volumes of files. What makes it special? The hidden field remains invisible to the signer and is accessible only to the sender. Like traditional fields, it is placed on the document while creating a template, but disappears after signing. This ensures that when you print the signed document, the hidden field is excluded, maintaining a clean and professional experience. Now, let's get started how to create and access hidden field. Let's log into the e-signature module. You can either click Start Now or drag and drop your document. This feature works seamlessly for both pre-existing templates and instant document creation. For this demo, I will upload a new document by selecting Upload Template. I will click Continue and Proceed. But if you want to save it for future use, click Draft. Next, I will set the expiry date and enter the recipient details and click Next. The hidden field is always a custom field and not a standard one. To create it, go to Custom Fields and click the plus icon to add a new field. This process is similar to creating any other field, but here the key difference is after naming the field and selecting its type, you must enable the hide checkbox. This is crucial. Click Save and your hidden field will appear in the list. Remember its name as you will need it to retrieve documents later. Now custom field is created successfully. Let's drag the custom field onto the document and click on it to enter its value. Next, I will add signature field to finalize the document and click Send. Since I am the signer, I'll click Yes and proceed. As you see, the signer cannot view the hidden field which we placed right above the signature but remains invisible. Let's apply the signature and complete the document. Now back in the dashboard, here is the document. Let's see how the hidden field helps with filtering. Under Filter by, select Hidden Field. In the search bar, enter the field name. The name we gave is Test Sales Volume. It is not necessary that we need to give the complete text. Click View to see more details about the document. You can click View Hidden Fields to see the exact value stored. So the exact value what we stored was 10,000. And that's it. You have seen how to create a hidden field and use it to filter documents effortlessly. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more WayMore tutorials and remember, with WayMore, you achieve way more.